New video review. These just arrived a couple of hours ago. The USS Raven, which we saw in the Voyager episode The Raven, and the D7 original series Klingon cruiser. Shot there. So we'll start with the Raven. Now I'm not sure how well the camera is picking up on the details, but the Raven has a lot of details on it. On top, I'll try and get some views. The design makes me think a little bit of like the runabout design. Obviously much bigger. You know, if you think about it in scale in a series, the Raven would have been a much bigger ship. It's a nice design. It actually does look quite sleek. Very nice little model. Just a lot of detail. Now, I'm having a hard time actually knowing where the die-cast metal is. I think it's in the nacelles. I'm not entirely sure. It might be... I can't really seem to tell. I think because my hands are so cold I can't really feel any cold metal. I think there's some die-cast. It is a very nice model. Good amount of detail. You do get an impression it must be quite a small ship, but not super small. Small enough for the Hansen family to at least live comfortably on the ship before the Borg assimilated them. Yeah, I quite like this model. So, there's that one. Now onto the D7. Now, the D7 is very screen accurate, generally because of the lack of detail. Since the original 1960s model, the original screen model, had very limited detail due to budget constraints and limited cinematography at the time, then they couldn't really show up a huge amount of detail on the ship. So this model is very screen accurate in many ways. And just like the Katinga class, the design is largely the same. The Katinga class has more detail, obviously, since it was shown on the big screen. And it's to be expected that the models used in the original series would be lacking in detail. So I think they actually managed to pull this off quite well. Very plain looking, but still has that kind of intimidating Klingon design. Pretty much the same amount of die cast and plastic as the Katinga class had. This is die cast. You can feel it. This is more plastic with a little bit of die cast. Not much. I think it's more plastic. The die cast is mostly here. Oh, there we go. That's the Raven and the D7. Both very nice models. The Refit NX class model is coming out next month on the 17th. I'm hoping I can pick it up, I hope. So, this is Elena Watt signing off on another review. Very nice models.